I have 4 items I want to visit with you about this evening. The first of those is an update on the 2nd and Bryant construction project and the intersection improvements. Our contractor for that project is Crossland Heavy Construction, and they recently switched the east-west traffic to the new pavement side. The old pavement in the intersection has also been replaced, and soon the north-south traffic will be switched to new pavement as well, as soon as the weather cooperates and we get to that point as well. The project is scheduled to be completed late this summer. Just as a reminder, the project includes the installation of both dual left turn and single right turn lanes in all directions. The cost of the project is about $7.5 million, and the funding comes from the 2017 repurposed capital improvement sales tax. And as another reminder, we apologize again for the major inconvenience for both the traveling public and the businesses in the area, because we certainly know that it is. So we're moving forward as quick as we can. The second item is an update on the KickingBird golf course expansion. You can divide this into 2 main phases, but a lot of moving parts to the major work that is being accomplished in both sections. Let's talk about the golf club design and renovation project first. The slab has been poured and the steel is going up, as you can see, at the Special Events Center. And there's the clock tower. That structure is also under construction. The basement walls, floors, and entries have been constructed for the underground cart barn as well. Gravel and light pole bases have been installed for the parking lot. The floors have been poured for the indoor teaching facility and also the driving range pavilion. And rough grading for the short game practice facility has also been completed. The other piece of this is the golf course greens and irrigation project. Greens mix has been put in the greens on holes 10 through 15 and 17. And also holes 1, 2, and 4. Final grades have been completed on greens 3 and 5 and pea gravel installed. Greens 6 through 8 are also being rough graded. Tee boxes have been sodded on holes 12 through 17 and 5. The surrounding area of the greens have been sodded on holes 10, 12, 13, and 15. Irrigation has been completed on holes 12 through 15 and 17. Bunker liners have been installed on holes 12, 14, and 4, and the cart trail on hole 16 has been installed, as well as the pipe for the new sub-air system on hole number 4. And the estimated total cost for all improvements is around $20 million. These improvements were initially paid for as part of a $40 million bank financing package that occurred last summer, with ultimately the repayment to come from the 2000 capital improvement sales tax. But for people that drive by out there, you get just a very small feel for what's going on. But as you can tell by these pictures, major work there. And in effect, we're going to have basically a new course with a new clubhouse, clock tower, et cetera, et cetera. So, very exciting project. The third item is the expansion of the Cross Timbers Public Works Facility. Initially, these improvements were divided into 2 phases, with the first phase was this, constructing the fabric protective structures to protect city vehicles, and that phase was completed a few years ago. The phase 2 improvements will include 2 additional equipment storage sheds, a touchless vehicle wash station, repurposing the existing wash bay to an equipment truck wash station, and the expansion of the outdoor storage area as well. Phase 2 will soon go out to bid, and the estimated cost of that phase is $6.2 million, and the funding is proposed to come from the 2000 capital improvement sales tax. And then the fourth item is an update on sales and use taxes. Our economy continues to be very blessed with both sales and use tax revenue. This month's data reflects collections that occurred during the month, or received for the month of December. Sales tax revenue was up over 16.5%, over the same month last year, and now cumulatively it is up 9.3% for the year, the fiscal year. Use tax collections were up 7% from a year ago, and now cumulatively 15% for the fiscal year. Combined collections are cumulatively 10.7% higher this year than last year. And just as a reminder and a comparison, the annual budget projections included a 3.25% increase in sales tax and a 10% increase in use tax. So obviously we're doing very well, very healthy numbers there.